Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor with CSU Extension in Larimer County, and if you've ever wondered what hose and nozzle sprayer to use, there's a lot of different choices. First of all, make sure that it's comfortable for your hand and fits the purpose that you need it for. For this one, it's easy to turn on and off with your thumb or your finger, and there's a whole bunch of different spray patterns. One like this is one you have to hold down during watering, and so that might not be comfortable for long periods of time. If you're watering hanging baskets or raised beds, a watering wand that has different lengths might be useful to you. So again, determine how high you need to water and also the length that you need to extend the watering. Now, the most important thing is that they come in all sorts of different colors, so find one that matches your hose.